Cleanliness drive carried out at several places across Langhin constituency. Puncture of community hall calls for immediate attention. A very good morning to all the viewers and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. Here with Julie Bapi with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. The BJP Mandal Committee, Mahila and Yuva Morcha of the 16 Numati constituency jointly celebrated New Year and Bhogali Bihu at the Kangthi Langso waterfall on Monday. The celebration event was led by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Speaker Ritesh Inghi and was accompanied by the members and leaders of the three wings of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Numati VDC Chairman Dharam Singh Crow and District BJP Committee member Probin Theron and SGB were also present at the New Year and Bhogali Bihu celebration event at the Kangthi Langso waterfall. During the gathering, several artists and singers also sang songs to cheer up the party members and express the joy of New Year and Bhogali Bihu. A cake on the occasion was also cut by the KAAC Deputy Speaker and distributed to its entire members before the mass luncheon program. Bikram Theron's report from Danarong, Karbi Anglong Live. Under the initiative of the BJP East Karbi Anglong District Committee and the directives of Langhin local MSC Tarendra Brahma, a cleanliness drive is being carried out at several places across Langhin constituency. This program is being taken as a part of the National Youth Week celebration. The Langhin Youth Morcha has taken the lead within the constituency. The BJP Youth Wing is creating awareness of keeping the environment clean in order to keep away from several diseases and issues. Langhin local MSC Tarendra Brahma had directed the youths to carry out the program. And following this, the Langhin Yuva Morcha President Dhuniram Rongpi led his team for cleaning of several pockets of Langhin, including Jaipong Market, Langhin Manikpur Market, Langhin Town and Uttar Borbil Market. Rongpi also informed that the main motive of the drive is to create awareness and urgency among the local people on the need for sanitation and hygiene and keeping the surrounding clean.
Awareness program somehow kita mana amal staff mana orang amal orang daito hoise awareness program লগত উপস্থিত আমাৰ মানিকপুৰ পিয়াগন কনসেল সমতাৰী আৰু মেম্বাৰসকল আৰু আজি awareness program লগত বন্ধুসকল আৰু মিডিয়াসকল আৰু আমাৰ awareness program cleanliness drive only cleanliness drive আমাৰ cleanliness drive to ritual মানে কি আমাৰ বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট আছে cleanliness drive আমাৰ যুৱতীৰ কাৰণে
Sarpang Ringti Kathar's report from Langhin, Karbi Anglong Live. The decade-old Pangcherop Community Hall under Nilip Development Block, which has been in a dilapidated condition, needed a facelift. Our correspondents have sent us this report. According to the village headman of Pangcherop Rengma village, Albert Rengma, the decade-old community hall was constructed during the ASDC government and no renovation has taken place ever since. He said that the community hall is in a dilapidated condition and in the greater interest of the village, replacement or new construction of the hall is the immediate need of the hour. At present, this hall is the only community hall in the village and the condition is too bad and needed urgent repair in the roof, wall, doors and etc. And to be precise, this community hall is of no use. Realizing its importance, the villagers have urged upon the authority to look into the matter seriously. Samson Ingti from Chokihola and Sonjit Crow from Chokihola for Karbi Anglong Live. The Believers Eastern Church, Satgaon Diocese on Monday provided relief materials to the family members of the fire accident, which the house belonging to Rovalson Rongpar of Therebasa Rongpar village was completely destroyed. The relief materials were handed over to Rovelson Rongpar and his family members by the BEC Satgaon Diocese led by Secretary Thang Hao Dimgel and accompanied by Dokmoka District Reverend Father Topon Malik, Reverend Father Sersing Singnar and pastor missionary members. The church leaders, while expressing their solidarity and early recovery from their suffering, also conveyed the wishes and prayer from the BEC Dokmoka District Church. Meanwhile, Rovelson Rongpar also expresses gratitude towards the Believers Eastern Church for their assistance in their time of great distress. He also expressed equal gratitude to the Socheng Thenta MSC, Kache Rongpipi, the Ethor Baptist Church, Red Cross Society, evangelists, friends and other well-wishers for their assistance.
Believer Eastern Church, Satgaon Diocese, Hoipen, Litum Satgaon Mission Diocese, a Diocese Secretary, Father Thang Hao Dimgel, Alangli, Kaping Khada Tengpen, Believer Eastern Church, Dak Dokmuka District, Angkang, Doan, Reverend Father, Lapen Pastor, Lapen Evangelist, Lapen Munduli, Akisar Tumpen, Chingrumsi, Nilitum Dak, Teribasa, Munduli along, Don Munduli Akisar hem, Mate Rongpar hem, Kedam Tarni along Lituma hem, make it so that pen, along Lituma Pan, make it so that pen along Lituma Kiduka Kisung along, so Kichinijia Pan, Mate Ongo Kalisda me, Cherswet is on Sonia Hormu.
Atu kawe atau pan askame nili tu mahem megi chudet penajok nali tum la katu kawe atum ningarong pen kewang la pen nili tu mahem nang kahumri la pen arna malam pen nili tu pan ninggiti nang than ason pen apod ningarong piklo la pen nali tum kichuji la pen kijunja son anta nali tum kewan la pen pinang epi la pen nang pejer Citan unepin akhir jumi na sonarnam pen ke long vicinity la khalong.
Sam Singing T from Dokmoka and Bikram Teron from Denarong, Karbi Anglong Live. And that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.